insane fun from walking around the hood. Like,
and then this is how the next week starts.
come on, babe.
He's right near me.
I see it. I see it.
Hi. Hello. Hi, baby.
What's so funny? I drink those almond drinks too.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Papa. Hi. Hi. Where did you come from?
I'm a Brandon kitten.
You guys are making like a disco party for him.
Are you helping or?
He prefers goth.
We'll change the lights. Make it more of a castle vibe.
He sees the food, so he might hop down.
He is honestly just a kitten looking for love. He's so cute.
Hi.
You're too much, buddy. He just like looks like.
Hi.
He was right here looking at me like, hi. He just like stares. Shit. I wish some more places sold this though. I get my office manager person at work to buy them from Sam.
Oh yeah, that's a good call. Yeah, I was just talking to my mom about them because the pricing in Publix, like I don't know Publix. I think she gets them in Target.
Yeah, like Sam smells
Like a big space.
Yeah, maybe
16 maybe? 4 pack.
It's a big.
I should probably do that.
Only chocolate, and I like the cookies and cream.
It's okay.
Yeah, that used to be my favorite, but it's like the lower